Today I'm going to show you how to create an e-commerce site for free. Free domain, free hosting, free everything. So let's get started. Before you create a site, we need a domain and hosting. To get a free domain, go to freenom.com. I will put a link down in the description box. And when you're on freenom.com, go to Services, register a new domain, find a new free domain, I will call mine free store tutorial, check availability. These are the free domain extensions. You can choose a .com domain extension as well, but that will cost you a little bit of money. For this tutorial, I'm going to pick the .ga extension. Get it now? Select it, go to checkout. Here, leave this like this, and now we're going to acquire hosting. So go to infinityfree.net. I'll put the link down in the description box. You don't have an account yet, so click on sign up now. I already have an account, so I get redirected to my account page. I have no accounts yet. I'm going to create a new hosting account. Create account now. Now we are going to use our own domain because we have a domain in our cart here. You can choose a free subdomain as well. The domain has to point, when you choose your own domain, it has to point to these name servers. So copy this. Use DNS. Use your own DNS. Click name server NS1 and do name server NS2. You can leave the IP address like this. Click on continue. Now I'm going to put my email address right here. Verify my email address. Verification link sent to your email. Go to your email and click on the verification link. Now that's that. Now I'm going to put in my account information. Click here to go to your client area. Now we are in our account area, and as you can see, we have our domain here. Now I'm going to copy my domain name. Check. Save this password. Confirm you're not a robot. Create account. Now they're setting up the domain for us and the hosting account. In a few minutes my account will be ready and we can set up our website. Now first we go to our client area. As you can see here, we have all our details. Let's go to our control panel to install WordPress. Okay, go to your Softaculous apps installer. Go to WordPress. Now you can leave all these two you can leave like this, and we're not going to install it in a subdirectory. So yeah, I'm going to call my site free store tutorial, my WordPress store, I'm going to leave it like this because I'm not going to actually use this site, but you should change this to something safe. Now select the language, advanced options. I'm going to change my database name so it's more recognizable. I'm going to call it FTS, and we need now 08 prefix, so just leave it at WP. I'm not going to select a theme here because we're going to install our own theme. Now I'm going to skip this part. Okay, the installation finished. Now we can go to our admin dashboard. Very nice, our admin dashboard. Let's take a look at our site. Okay, as you can see, it's just a blog now. It's not a store yet, but we're going to change that right now. Now, first of all, go to plugins, add new, and type in WooCommerce. Install now. Activate the plugin. Now you can follow these steps. You can set up WooCommerce. So here you can put in your country, address line 2, city, postal code or zip code. You can choose your currency. So I'm going to do all these steps just for the tutorial. Fake address, blah blah blah, city, fake city, 111 FK. Going to choose dollar. Yeah, Australian dollar, whatever. And we're going to choose Australia. Yeah, who cares? I plan to sell both physical and digital products. I plan to sell physical products. So physical products are products you actually ship to the customer. Digital products are downloadable products like themes, albums, or whatever. I'm only going to sell physical products. Let's go. You can allow WooCommerce to collect non-sensitive diagnostic data and usage information. I don't really care, so let's go. Here you can choose your payment options. I'm just going to use PayPal. By the way, there are way more payment options, but these are just the default payment options. You can install extra plugins for extra payment options. Shipping method, I'm going to do 5. Going to turn this off. Weight unit, kilograms, okay. Extra storefront theme. Now we're not going to use the storefront theme. Continue. Connect with Jetpack. No, I don't recommend this. Skip this step. Ready. We're here for you. Get tips. Blah blah blah. No, I don't want it. Get your first product. No, we're not going to do that either. Return to your dashboard. Okay, we got WooCommerce set up. Now we're finally going to install our free WooCommerce theme. So I already opened the site. It's themegrill.com. Here we have premium themes, free themes, and plugins. So explore the site if you want. I'm going to go to themes. Click on WooCommerce. We're going to install eStore theme. Download free version. Save. And you can click on learn more to see the difference between the free and the pro version. So for example, the free version doesn't have additional header designs, no Google fonts, although you can install these through a free plugin. Font size options, you can change this through CSS as well. Multiple color options, you can also, if you can do CSS programming, you can change this as well. It's not very hard. More options for custom widgets. There are plugins for widgets, so it's really not a big deal. Although these might be handy. Yeah, but we're going to do it for the free version. We're going to create a free e-commerce store after all. So as you can see, the download has finished. Now go to our dashboard. We're going to Appearance, Themes, Add New, Upload Theme, and we're going to pick eStore. Now activate the theme. So before we're going to do anything else, we're going to install the Theme Grill Demo Importer. Begin installing plugin. Theme Grill Demo Importer. I already had it installed, so click Activate. Return to dashboard. And now what we're going to do is install the Theme Grill demo. So let's take a look at how our site looks now. It already looks a little bit different, but not really what we want for an e-commerce store. You can see the front page is still a blog post, so we're going to change that now with the demo importer. You can follow these steps. You will have to first visit this page and download the theme demo zip file. Download. I already had it downloaded, so just like the theme, but I'm going to save it again. Now you have to go to click on the upload demo button on the top of this page. eStore free. Install now. To demo importer. Install demos. So if you want, you can implement a contact form. I'm not going to do this for this tutorial, but if you want a contact form, you can install it. Now let's import the eStore demo. Importing demo content will replicate the light demo and overwrites your current customizer. Click OK. Installed. The demo has just imported, so let's go to the live preview of our site. And there we are, a beautiful WooCommerce store with demo products. Of course, you have to change these products to your own products. I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. I'm going to show you how to change this menu as well. But first, let's go to Customize and see what the options are. Here, shift click to edit this widget. Hold shift and click, and now you're on this widget. Of course, you can pick here a WooCommerce category to pick for the slider. So you can create a custom slider of different products. Now here you can select a category for your WooCommerce slider. These are all products. The customer can add these to their cart via this slider. So let's change it and see what happens. Now, all of a sudden, it changed. However, these images are not made for this slider. So you have to make sure your images are big enough for this slider. So I'm going back to slider. They created a category specifically for the slider. So now let's go to another widget. Hold Shift and again click to edit this widget. Here you can change the title, so you can change it in whatever you want and to match your category. And here you can pick a category. Let's see what happens when you pick featured product collection. Okay, we get some featured products here. You can also change this image to whatever image you want. I'm just going to leave it like this for the tutorial. You can also choose the outline for this image. So, for example, write a line. So this way you can play around with these widgets and make them so you have your own unique style. Yeah. You can add a widget here if you want. There are many different widgets, but I'm just going to leave it like this right now. Click publish when you're finished. And now we are going to change up this menu because this is way too busy. So go to appearance menus and go to main menu. Here you can see all the menu items. These are custom links. I'm going to remove them. And from here you can add some menu items very easily. So I want the blog to be in this menu. Now I'm finished editing this menu. Now I'm going to set it as primary menu. Click Save Menu. Let's look at our eStore again. And the beautiful menu right here. Now, as you may notice, we have eStore at the site name right now. We don't want this. Let's pick our own name for the store. Store tutorial. It changed because we imported it with the demo content. My WordPress store, this still didn't change. Save changes. Okay. Let's look, close this. Let's look at our shop. As you can see, there's nothing in the shop yet. That's because eStore created another shop page for us, shop 2, as you can see here in the permalink or in the URL extension. Now let's go to our dashboard and change this menu item to represent our real shop. Go to Appearance, Menus, remove, and this is probably our shop. Save menu, go back to the site, go to shop, and you see all our beautiful products. Awesome. Now to add a product, you go to Products, Add New, and let's create an example product. So example product, and this is the description, of course. You can pick virtual, downloadable. We're going to leave it like this: simple product. Going to set the price to $10. Sale price, yeah, let's do a sale price of $7. So the sale price will, of course, override the regular price. Now let's put it in a category, kit collection, and a product image. You can upload your own images from your computer or go to the media library. Well, let's go. This is a nice kit product, I think. You can preview the product, and as you can see, the product was added. So this was a tutorial on how to create a WooCommerce store for free, with free hosting, free domain, free everything, with a very nice theme, very customizable. So I hope you enjoyed it, and good luck with your store.